Good everyone, you're welcome to Card Baron. So I'll be doing a very simple block on Autodesk Inventor. So please just see how you can be able to follow up step by step. First I'll go to File, go to New, I'll choose Part, then I'll click on Create. After doing that, I'll click here, then they'll ask me for plane, which I'll do this. Now what's the plane I want to use? I've been able to choose the plane. The next thing, I move to rectangle and I'll choose a center rectangle, that is a center, then explode. Here they call it 2 point center rectangle. So I'll click the center and I explode. I'll dimension it. So this dimension here will be 60. I prefer to dimension the longest. Enter. And I'll come here and dimension this 42. So I've been able to get this. I'll go to my 3D model. I'll click on extrude. So what's the thickness of this particular job I want to do? If you check properly, thickness is 6. So I impute 6. I click OK. So I've been able to get this. I've been able to do this, as you can see. Then I'll click here and I'll click sketch. I want to see how I can be able to do that box. This box here where my cursor is. So what I have to do, I'll come here, I'll use a rectangle. I'll click here. I have something like this because it's not in the center. So the next thing, I'll produce something like that again. From here to here. Then I'll start to dimension. So for my dimension, here is 30. 30. Okay. Then this side here is 36. 36. It is not properly done. I'll just drag it like this. I'll just drag it. It's not lapping properly. So same thing with this. Then I'll dimension this. Dimension here and here. I'll leave it as 3. Where else? Dimension here and here. I'll leave it as 6, as it was given. So then from here to here is 3. Where else? Then from here to here, say it's 24. 24. Okay. So I'm sure we are done with this. If there's any other thing, now can just check it out. So I've been able to get this particular sketch. I want to see if there's something we're missing out. Now mind you, from this side, from this point to this point is 21. So I'll click here and I'll click here 21, because you have to follow the dimensions step by step. Mind you, we have a center, so there were some dimensions that were hidden. So go to extrude, click here. Where are we extruding? Here. So I have something like, what's the height? 18. So I have something like this now. Click OK. one. Okay, let me go over it again. Let me go over what I did. Ctrl Z. Now I want to see how I can be able to produce this 6 here. I want to do it in the middle, so I'll just click this planes, click a plane. I'll click here 1, then the next plane, the reference is here, so you can see that it's in the middle now. So all I have to do now, click here, since this is the plane, I'll click here. Now click on new sketch. No, that's not my sketch. Exit, finish sketch. Please watch. I've been able to get this plane, so I'll click here and I'll click sketch like this. So now what do I want to produce? Please watch. Line from here. In case you're not seeing, I have to zoom in so that, because something I want you to practice. Click here, click here. Now, as you know, the length from this point, so I have to see how I can drag this length to get to this point, because from the sketch, that's how it is. So I'll have something like this now. Now I'll go to extrude. Where am I extruding? Here. But it has to be in the middle. So I'll click line. What's the thickness? Thickness is 6. I have something like this. Then I click OK. Then you see this media visibility. Visibility. I'll hide it. I don't need it for now. Then here, I click here and I click on sketch. This is the plane now, so I just click here like this. I zoom in. I'll come here, rectangle, come, click. I have something like this. Try as much as possible not to join with any line, so you don't make any relationship you're not ready for. So I come to dimension, from here to here, 6. From here to here is 12. What else? No other dimension was given. So let me see, maybe from here to here also could be 6. Okay. So the total here, okay, the total was 18, so no need to dimension. If I click on it now, they'll tell me it has already been done, so I'm good to go. 18. The next thing, I will extrude, like cut through. So I have something like this now. I go to mode, extrude cut, and it's a reverse case. Where are we cutting to? So it's here, but there's an angle, there's a degree. So let's make it 6. Like 6.6. 6 points. It's an image. Something like this. Out, inside. So you have something like this now. Okay. So you can see. So I've been able to produce something like this. So let me expand the screen and you get to see it. So this is just a basic block on Autodesk Inventor. Okay guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you.